This lovely edging is formed over 2 rows. In every right side row, start by making a yarn over. It could be a bit confusing. How do we make a yarn over at the very beginning of the row, right? The trick here is to place the right needle underneath the working yarn. And you can do it whether you hold yarn in your right hand or in your left hand. Then we make a slip knit decrease. You can make the classic version of this decrease, but I prefer to use this simplified version. When we insert the tip of the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle, knit twice, and then we slip it to the right needle, return it back right away, and as we do so, we push the tip of the right needle a bit further so that it enters the second stitch on the left needle. And then wrap the tip of the right needle with the yarn, knitting these 2 stitches together through the back loop. And then work until you get to the last 2 stitches of the row. You can work in any stitch pattern you like. And then knit the last 2 stitches one by one. Turn your work. In every wrong side row, we also start by making a yarn over. And now we already know how to do that. We simply insert the right needle under the working yarn. Then bring the yarn to the front of the work and purl the first 2 stitches together. Just like this. Then again, work in any stitch pattern you like until you get to the last 2 stitches of this row. And purl the last 2 stitches one by one. As you repeat these 2 rows, you will notice that the edges of your project get embellished by tiny yarn overs that look a lot like dewdrops to me. And this edging looks great on both sides of the work. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. The decreases give it enough body to keep the edges from curling. So that's another benefit of this edging. And it looks great with most stitch patterns. As you see, it looks nice with the stockinette stitch. It looks nice with the garter stitch, the ribbing, and the seed stitch. To get the full tutorial about this method, go to 10rosday.com/yarn-over-edging. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.